1 for 1-1. We'll be working on discrete 138.15.
The F-16, designed to be the best air-to-air tactical fighter, it's been the world's top gun for almost 3 decades. The first operational F-16A was delivered in January 1979 to the 388 Tactical Fighter Wing at Hill Air Force Base. These aircraft are now being replaced by the most innovative 5th-generation fighter aircraft in the world.
This is air power at its finest, and Team Hill is uniquely built for this. We delivered America's first combat-coated F-16s in 1979, and now we'll do the same with America's first combat-coated F-35As. Team Hill is excited to usher in America's and the Air Force's newest 5th-generation combat-coated fighter, the F-35A.
I love being an avionics specialist because we're out here every day dealing with new challenges. It's always a different thing. It's not the 9 to 5. And the biggest thing for us is the friendships we make doing it. Bringing the F-35 to Hill is a pretty big deal to us because all these other bases we've been training, we've been learning, we've been working real hard to get it to where it is today. Coming to Hill is the real deal now.
As we prepare to bring in the F-35, we have had phenomenal community support. We brought our community in from basically ground zero when we knew that the potential to bring the first operational wing here was on the horizon. So we asked them for their support, and they gave it. And the community has been on board since day one.
This is going to be an awesome new step for combat fighter tactics as far as the technology. So a combination of the stealth and the sensor fusion that the pilot gets to see will allow us to go places that the F-16 can't go right now.
We have a great opportunity to partner with the 388 Fighter Wing from Air Combat Command to fly the F-35. What makes Hill Air Force Base the place for the F-35 is the people. And I will say the airmen, the expertise, the longevity and sustainability that we bring as the United States Air Force Reserve operation, our civic leaders, our community partners, this is an unprecedented relationship that I've seen in my 26 years. In addition to the people, we have access into the Utah Test and Training Range, to the depot that is here for life cycle management of the airplane. This is just by far the perfect example of where history can once again be made from the F-16 and out to the F-35. There's no better place than Hill Air Force Base.
The F-35 is an amazing airplane. Its next-generation avionics, stealth, and sensor fusion allow our pilots an unparalleled view of the battle space and the ability to dominate our tactical environment.
Switch is hot, cleared, hot release on conditions.
Because we've got some of the finest airmen on the planet, we've got the support of our Air Force leadership, our industrial partners, and our strong local community. And we have the Utah Test and Training Range, which provides some of the most outstanding airspace you'll find anywhere around. I'm absolutely certain we will deliver success.
It's been a journey to get here.
A process.
But we have to get it right.
We've flown, trained, and tested ourselves.
We've validated years of hard work.
It wasn't easy. Innovation never is.
We're proud of what we've accomplished.
We've done it.
We've taken the world's most advanced and newest 5th generation fighter
and made it combat ready.
We're ready to fly, fight, and win.
Brand new airplane, and it flew just as if we were simulating it. We're going to build more of AF-1-like airplanes than any other F-35.
With the F-35 program, we foresee air dominance for the next 30 to 50 years.
Bringing the F-35 here starts a new era for us. We now have a capable platform that can go into those highly contested environments and be successful.
This airplane is fantastic. The F-35 Lightning II will deliver warfighting capabilities essential to security of our nation.
This jet is a game changer. It is exactly what we need to be competitive in the high-end fight of the future.
This is a multinational platform. It will be a part of the Hill Air Force Base community for the next 35 to 40 years.
We've done it.
We've taken the world's most advanced and newest 5th generation fighter
and made it combat ready.
We're ready to fly, fight, and win.
Good morning to everyone on the flight deck. Aircrew now manning for Event 1, Case 1 launch, Case 1 recovery. Temperature 76 degrees, altimeter 2966, density altitude 1787. Personnel not involved with flight house must now leave the flight deck catwalk. Time to don the complete and proper flight deck uniform. Helmets and flow coats on, gloves on, sleeves rolled down. Check your pockets for loose gear and FOD. Check chocks, tie down chains, and loose gear about the decks. Ensure hot exhaust is not blowing on the aircraft, weapons, or personnel. Stand well clear of all rotors, prop arcs, jet intakes, and exhaust. Start to go aircraft. Start them up!